Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at the Timex Waterbury Traditional GMT 39mm watch with a quartz movement. This particular model comes with a synthetic rubber strap. For those unfamiliar, GMT stands for Greenwich Mean Time. It refers to a timepiece that tracks two time zones at once. It was originally designed for pilots. GMT watches were helping out on keeping track of local and home time during long flights, for example. A quick note on Timex: it was founded in 1854 as the Waterbury Clock Company. They've been making affordable, reliable timepieces ever since. Something interesting is that engraving on the side button, it's a tribute to that legacy, reinforcing the connection between modern Timex watches and their heritage. It stands for Waterbury watch. Enough history, let's look at the watch itself. Let's start with the bezel and the GMT hand. Most GMT watches have a 20-hour bezel, often split into two colors to indicate day and night. On the Waterbury GMT, the blue section marks daytime hours, while the black represents nighttime. This is a simple yet effective touch. I love how this feature makes a watch both practical and visually very interesting. Then there is the bright blue fourth hand, the GMT hand, which it's barely noticeable right now, but yeah, here it is. It completes a full rotation once on every 24 hours and points to the second time zone you're tracking. In my case, I'm going to track the US New Jersey time. Let's see how that works. You have to pull the side button, and from here you start adjusting the hours and minutes. There is a half pull, which is indicating that you are allowed to actually start moving the date. Here it is, 14th. As for the GMT arrow itself, you can press it once in order to adjust it like that, or you can have a full press. Then you're going to just get this very sleek and nice movement, and you can adjust it to your second time zone. Other details worth mentioning: the date window at the 3 o'clock, which definitely completes the dial look over here, and the 100 meters water resistance. It is making it suitable for everyday wear and light swimming, for example. The black dial and the rotation bezel, which is a single rotation, you cannot move it back, only forward. Gives a very nice look to the watch in overall. So far, looking at it, I like how it blends classic design with modern functionality. The synthetic strap looks durable and comfortable. Let's try it on. On the wrist, the 39mm case wears well. Thought I personally would like a 41mm version on my 18 centimeters wrist. 18 centimeters is around 7 inches. The rubber strap is very soft, it's lightweight, and according to the specification is resistant to heat and corrosion, which makes it great for daily use. So, Timex Waterbury Traditional GMT looks stylish, it feels great on the wrist, and it's definitely worth considering with such a strong heritage and modern functionality. In my opinion, for just $80 right now on the official website, it's an absolute steal. I will link a description to the video. So yeah, if you're looking for a minimalistic, budget-friendly GMT, this one is worth definitely considering. I was thinking on what the competitive advantage here would be and what will make that watch stand out. Definitely that would be the heritage, the functionality, and the price. Timex is delivering a well-built GMT that tells both a story of craftsmanship and the time. That's going to be for this review. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more watch content. Drop your thoughts on the Timex Waterbury GMT, and yeah, see you next time.